Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the LG Smart Monitor and I'm going to tell you where you can easily find the option enjoy your monitor sound together and how to manage it. At first you have to enter the settings. To know how to do it, check our channel because we have the video for that. Then go to General here and Accessibility here and the monitor sound together. Click on that, and here we have the Bluetooth device and HDMI ARC device. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.